Vignan question papers. Okay, welcome my dear friends. Let us start to share with the screen. Okay, so I am sharing my screen. Better I will start with this PPT. Okay, good. So today is the 4th of May 2020. Myself is Professor Dr. Ajendra Deshpande, and this particular video is related with the Padartha Vignan Evam Ayurveda Itihas Paper 1 question papers. Presented by myself, Professor Dr. Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology. So this is my website and this is my mail ID. Let us move further with Professor Deshpande at gmail.com. This is my mail ID. So anybody can contact me for personal online health problem advice or lifestyle counseling based on Prakriti and palmistry. Of course, I do the palmistry as well. Personal or online classes of medicine and any difficult topics or subject with related to Ayurveda. And of course, my kind request all the time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So this is appeal by myself, Professor Dr. Deshpande, to the CCIM and Ayush. They should make it compulsory to all the universities in India that immediately after completing the theory examination, within the period of 1 month, they should upload all the question papers on university website, and it should be a part of digital library. What is this PPT? These are all the question papers of MUHS. You can follow my cursor. Maharashtra University of Health Science, Nashik, Maharashtra, India. Question papers of the years. Of course, every year has a two-type examination, summer and winter examination. So 2014, only one paper, one set is available of winter. 2015, summer and winter, both the papers are available. 2016, summer and winter. 2017, summer and winter, and 2018 summer paper is also available. Let us start with winter 2016 paper. SAQ. Importance of Kal. This is Padartha Vignan. Remember my word. Padartha Vignan subject is there, okay? So, importance of Kal. Utpatti of Prithvi Mahabhut according to Ayurveda. Dravya Lakshana. Importance of Vishesha. Atma Lakshana and types of karma. So this is all related with the SAQ of 3 marks. My dear friends, again and again I am trying to tell you that some subjects are always having many points very similar. So if you are perfect in a Sharira Kriya, Ayurvedic physiology, you can do well with the Ashtanga Hridaya. You can very well in Padartha Vignan. You can also have very easy Charaka Purvardha in second year BMS and Charaka Uttarardha in third year BMS. So my dear friends, Tridosha, Saptadhatu, Atma, Man, Disha, Kal, all these topics are everywhere the same. So you prepare one Sharirika Kriya subject, fundamental subject, very powerful, and you will be successful in Ayurveda. SAQ of 5 marks, types of Abhav. This is one of the Padartha. Atma Guna. Many times there is a question on Man and Atma in Padartha Vignan. Samavaya. Okay. Types of Mahabhuta. Mahabhuta concept is very important in Padartha Vignan. Just have a look how that Mahabhuta word has formed. Original word, write down, please write down. Bhu Bhavati. Original word in Bhuta, Bhu Bhavati, Astitva Asune for Marathi medium. To exist. So these are 5 elements were existing in the past, are existing in the present, and will be existing in the future. That's why they have the name Bhu Bhavati, to exist. Prithvi, Jal, Tej, Vayu, and Akash. These five elements. Then why the word Mahabhuta? Maha means, write down, Maha means all pervading. Whole of this earth is covered, is composed of these Mahabhutas. So Maha means all pervading, all pervading. Each and every molecule on this earth is made up of, according to Ayurveda, Sarvam Idam Panchabhotikam Asmin Arthe. Artha means earth. Very interesting. Artha in Sanskrit, Earth, earth in English. So I have given you how that Mahabhuta word has formed. But Mahabhuta, write down. Indriya Gamya Nahi, Marathi Madhe. Mahabhuta cannot be understood by our sensory organs. Then you will say, sir, what we are seeing, the mountains are not Prithvi Mahabhuta? No, no, no. Whatever the rivers we see is not a Jala Mahabhuta. No, no, no. All these things are made up from the Mahabhuta. So they are called as a Mahabhuta Vikara. Right now, Mahabhuta Vikar. Mountains is Mahabhuta Vikar. Prithvi Mahabhuta is different. Prithvi, Parthiva. Jala, Jaliya. Teja, Tejas. Vayu, Vayaviya. Akash, Akashiya. Are you getting the difference in Mahabhuta and Mahabhuta Vikara? Vikara means they are formed from the original Mahabhutas. Okay? Mana. Again, Mana. Definition and karma. Shad Dhatvatmak Purusha. Khadinyat. I'm sorry. What is that? Panchamahabhuta and Chaitanya is called as a Shad Dhatvatmaka Chikitsa Purusha. Importance of Disha. LAQ, define Guna, classification of Guna, and explain in detail Gurvadi Guna. Do you remember Sharil Kriya? Gurvadi. Adi means etc. Guru, Manda, Himasnigda, Shlakshna, Sandra, Mrudustiraha, Gunaha, Sasukshma, Vishadaha, Vimshanti, Saviparyaha. This shlok must be remembered. What is Samanya? Right types of Samanya and explain in detail Samanya and its importance in Ayurveda. What is Darshana? Darshana topic is very important in Padartha Vijnana. Philosophy. Darshan means philosophy. There are different sciences which give the philosophy of Ayurveda. Philosophy of Ayurveda. Sankhya Darshana, very important. Write details of the Dravya classification. This is a blank side, don't worry. Summer 2016, next paper. Write Lakshana and Vishaya. Vishaya of Mana. This is not Mana. This is Man in Sanskrit. Man, mind. Write about Astik Darshana. Lakshana of Abhava and its types. Lakshana and types of Kala. Write about Sankhya Darshana Parichaya. Parichaya. Write about Atma Lakshana. Everywhere Atma and Mana is there. Right? Utility of Sartha Gunas in Ayurveda. Right? Different stages of Jal, water. Explain Ashtanga Yoga, Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. Right? Lakshana and types of Padartha. SAQ 5 marks. Lakshana and utility of Samavaya Padartha in Ayurveda. Types and importance of Disha. Explain about Paradi Gunas. LAQ. Explain the definition and classification of Darshana. Philosophies. Write in detail about Vaisheshik Darshana. Two darshanas are very important. Sankhya Darshan, Vaisheshik Darshan, and Yoga Shastra, Yoga Darshana. Write the definition of Mahabhutas and describe Lakshana, types, qualities, and importance of Ayurveda about the Apa Mahabhuta. What is the importance of Apa Mahabhuta? All liquids in the body are Jaliya Padartha, Mutra, Sweda, etc. Summer 2016 LAQ. Describe the definition, types of Guna Padartha and explain about Guruvadi Gunas in detail with its Ayurvedic importance. Guru Manda Himasnigdha Shlakshna Sandra Murdusthiraha Gunaha Sasukshma Vishadaha Vimshanti Saviparya. Viparya means opposite properties. State, explain in detail regarding the Atma. Again and again, Atma. Blank slide. 2015 papers. Definition and types of Padarth. Function of Mana. Chikitsadhisthita Purush. Paradi Guna. Samavaya. Definition and explain importance. Right. Lakshana and types of Vishesha. Right. Definition and types of Abhava. Repeatedly, same questions. That's why you must concentrate on these points, my dear friends. Right? Utpatti of Jala Mahabhuta, cursor, according to Ayurveda. Jala Mahabhuta. Right? Prayojana and Lakshana of Ayurveda. Aims and objects. Swastasya, Swastarakshanam, Aturasya, Vyadhi Parimokshaha. Preventive and curative aspect. Definition: Hitahitam Sukham Dukkham Ayustasya Hitahitam Manam Chatacchetroktam Ayurvedaha Sauchyate. Explain types and importance of Kala. For example, Vaishajya, Sevana Kala. Very important. Vayohoratri Bhuktanam Tyantamadhyadhikara. Rutu. All seasons, Kala. Winter 2015. Right, Utpatti of Prithvi Mahabhut according to Nyaya and Vaisheshika. Darshan Shastra, right? Lakshana and types of Disha, right? Types of Karma. LAQ. What is Darshana? Philosophy. Explain Sankhya Darshana. Satkaryavad, right? Lakshana, Guna and types of Atma, Jivatma and Paramatma. Explain the importance of Atma in Ayurveda. Explain Dravya Ashrayitva of Guna, right? Charakokta, this is difficult word to pronounce. Charakokta classification of Guna in detail. Define Samanya, right? Types of Samanya in detail. Dravya Samanya, Guna Samanya, Karma Samanya. Dravya Vishesh, Guna Vishesh, Karma Vishesh. Summer 2015. SAQ 3 marks. Padartha Lakshana. Lokayata Darshana. Types of Atma, Jivatma, Paramatma. Importance of Akash Mahabhut. Srotasa. Remember, so Akash, Srotasa, Khayavaigunya. Pilupakavad. Karma of Mana. Mana and Atma everywhere. Lakshana of Samanya and its importance in Ayurveda. Definition of Karma and its types. Guna and importance of Vayu Mahabhut. Shvasana, heart sounds, respiratory sounds, every movement is Vayu Mahabhuta. Interrelation of three guna, Sattva, Raja and Tama. Okay? Right? Guruvadi Guna, Guru Mandaiva Snigdha, Shlakshna Sandra, Mridusthiraha, Gunaha, Sasukshma, Vishudaha, Vimshanti, Saviparyaha. Astik Darshana and Darshana Kar, who has formulated that philosophy. Difference and similarities between Prakriti and Purusha, energy and matter. LAQ. Write in detail the Srishti Vikas. Here, Srishti Vikas, creation of Srishti and development as per the Sankhya Darshana. Write in detail about Teja Mahabhut, fiery element in our body, related for metabolism, varna, color, complexion, okay, body temperature. Write the types of Dravya and explain the Lakshana types and importance of Disha and Kala in Ayurveda. Define the Samanya Vishesha. Sarvada Sarvabhavanam Samanyam Vriddhikaranam. Rasa Hetu Visheshachya Pravrittihi Ubayasitu. Similarity, Samanya. Dissimilarity, Vishesha. Write in detail importance and types. Blank slide, don't worry. Winter 2014, definition of darshan and its types. Classification of gunas as per Charak. Prashastapad, scientist. Importance of Disha Dravya. Pithar Pakavad. Pilu Pakavad, Pithar Pakavad. Atma Guna, here, Atma Guna. Satkaryavad. Satkaryavad. And its importance in Ayurveda. Importance of Apa Mahabhut, Jala Mahabhut in Ayurveda. For dehydration purpose, Udak Dhatu Kshaya, Rasa Dhatu is predominantly Udak Dhatu. Mutra, Sweda, definition and types of Samanya and Vishesha. Advice for Prakriti, Yoga Darshana, okay? Karana Dravya, importance of Pakaja Utpatti Siddhanta in Ayurveda. Pakaja Utpatti Siddhanta, Pilupakavad, Pitharpakavad. Then Satkaranavad or Satkaryavad, Satkaranavad. LAQ, explain the Purva and Uttar Mimamsa Darshana. Darshana, philosophy. Purva and Uttar Mimamsa. Write its Siddhanta. Write in detail about the Atma Dravya. Atma and Mana is there in paper 1. Creation, Lakshana and types of Prithvi Mahabhuta and its importance in Ayurveda. Describe the definition and Lakshana of Padartha. Further, write in detail about Shat Padartha. Shat Padartha. 6 Padarthas are there in Ayurveda. Blank slide, don't worry. Winter 2017, write definition of Ayurveda. Hitaitam Sukham Dukkham Ayustasya Hitaitam Manam Chatacchetroktam Ayurveda Suchyate. Atma Guna, 3 Guna, Sattva, Raja and Tam. Define Padartha. Padasya Arthaha Padarthaha. Shad Dhatvatmak Purusha. Division of Disha. Classification of Abhava. Non-existence, Abhava. Right Lakshana of Samavaya and its importance. Types of Karma. Importance of Kala. So Kala and Disha are also important. Darshana, important. Chikitsadhishtita Purush. Rashi Purush, Sanyoga Purush, Ekadhatu Purush, Tridhatu Purush, Shadhatvatma Purush, Chaturvyamshatik Purusha. Patient, Chikitsadhishtita Purush. Function of Mana. Definition and types of Darshana. Winter 2017 LAQ. Write Utpatti Guna Karma of Prithvi Mahabhuta and explain its importance in detail in Ayurveda. Prithvi Mahabhuta, earth component. All solid, Mamsa, Medha, Asti, Prithvi Pradhan. What is Dravya? Write a classification of Dravyas in detail. Define Guna. Explain in detail Paradi Guna. Para Adi. Adi means etc. Write its importance in Ayurveda. Write Lakshana of Samanya and write types of Samanya. Dravya Samanya, Guna Samanya, Karma Samanya, with its importance in Ayurveda. Like example, anemic patient is there, you are giving the blood, that is Dravya Samanya. Blank slide, don't worry. Summer 2017, SAQ 3 marks. Describe, explain what is Snigdha, what is Ruksha, Kledane Snigdha. Okay. Samavaya, what is Samavaya Sambandha? Pilupakavad, Lakshana of Ayu. Ayu, iti Jivitakalaha. Ayu, life. Iti Jivitakalaha. What is Ayu? Sharira, Indriya, Sattva, Atma, Sanyogo, Dhari Jivitam, Nityakashchanabandhascha. Paryayaha, Ayuruchyate. Definition of Ayu. Sharira, Indriya, Sattva, Atma. 4 components. Sharira, Indriya, Sattva, Atma, Sanyogo, Dhari Jivitam, Nityakaha, Anubandhascha. Paryaya, synonyms of Ayu. What is Ayurveda? Hitaitam Sukham Dukkham Ayustasya Hitaitam. Manam. Manam means praman, quantity. Manam Chatacchetroktam Ayurvedaha Suchyate. Lakshana and types of Abhava, Sukha and Dukkha. Anukula Vedaniyam Sukham. Pratikula Vedaniyam Dukkham. Lakshana and importance of Kala. Follow my cursor, my dear friends. Sartha Guna. Cursor. Lakshana and Prakar of Samanya. Lakshan and Guna and Karma of Mana. Lakshan, Prakara and importance of Karma. Lakshan and types of Padarth, Lakshan and types of Siddhanta, types of Siddhanta. Ekatantra, Paratantra, Sarvatantra, Siddhanta, basic fundamental principles of Ayurveda. You know the Siddhantas. Doshadhatu Malamulam Shiriram. Lokapurush Samanya Siddhanta. Am I right? Panchabhotik Siddhanta. What is Dravya? Right classification of Dravya and explain Jala Dravya in detail. What is Darshana? Right types of Darshana and explain Yoga Darshana with its importance in detail. Yogastu Chitta Vritti Nirodhaha. Yogaha Samatvam Uchyate. Yoga is a balance. Yoga is a homeostasis. Samatvam Uchyate. Describe Lakshana classification, Sthana and Guna of Atma in detail and write Charak Ukta, Charakokta. What is mentioned by Charak? What Charak is saying? Ukta means to say. Atma Linga. Linga, Guna. Properties. Lakshana. Linga means Lakshana. Features. What is Guna? Write classification of Guna and explain the Paradi Guna in detail. Blank slide. Summer 2018. Definition and Lakshan of Padartha. Indriya Pancha Panchak. That we are going to see if time permits. Tri Dhatvatmak Purush. Sattvam Atma Shriram Cha Trayam Etat Tridandavat. Sattvam Atma Shriram. Okay. Types of Samanya as per the Tarka Sangraha. Definition and Lakshan of Samavaya. Samavaya is different and Samanya is a different. Don't make confusion. Write down Samavaya on one side, Samanya is another side. Samavaya is different. Okay. Explain Karya Dravya. Karana Dravya, Kala Dravya. Khadinyatma Manah Kalo Dishishcha Dravya Sangraha. Khadinyatma Manah Kalo Dishishcha Dravya Sangraha. All are Karana Dravya. Write down. Kha Adi. Kha means Akash. Akash, Vayu, Tej, Jala, Prithvi. Kha Adi. Khadinyatma. Atma. Khadinyatma. Mana. Kal. Disha. Do you understand? All these Karana Dravyas, you must study very hard for Padartha Vijnan paper 1. Either of will be asked. Khadinyatma, Mana, Kal, Disha. Anything will be asked. All things will be asked. Okay, Karana Dravya and these are Karya Dravya. Write definition and types of Disha. Write Guna of Prithvi Mahabhuta. Explain importance of Kala Dravya in Ayurveda. Lakshan of Atma. Again, according to Charak. Lakshan and classification of Siddhanta. Define Abhava and its types. Write types of Karma. LAQ. Explain Lakshana, types and importance of Dravya. Also write importance of Akash Mahabhut in Ayurveda. Akash means Kh, Srota, Sa. Write definition and Prakar of Darshana. Explain Sankhya Darshana in detail. Sankhya and Vaisheshik. You make it perfect. Explain Lakshana Utpatti Guna Prakar of Jal Mahabhut. Also write the importance of Jal Mahabhut in Ayurveda. Write definition, Lakshan and Prakar of Mana, mind, and its importance in Ayurveda. What is Padartha Vigyan? Last few slides. My dear friends, I think, okay, but we will complete. Sushruta Uttara Tantra. They have explained this Padartha Vigyan or Padartha word, okay? Science which denotes the meaning of the word or a phrase or a line in the verse. Pada and Artha. Write down. Pada plus Artha. Artha means meaning in English. So if you are perfect in Padartha Vigyan, Vigyan means science. If you are perfect in the science of understanding the meaning of the word, you are perfect in Padartha Vigyan. Because you are knowing this science. This is a specific systematic information. How you should understand the meaning, real meaning of any pada. Artha means meaning. We must understand what is the meaning of that. Ayurveda Samhitas are written thousands of years back, 5,000 years back. And that too, TOO, in Sanskrit language. To understand Ayurveda, of poetic Sanskrit language, it is very important to know the meaning of each word in proper context. Unless and until you know all sides of that particular concept, you will not explain or you will not understand that particular word or line or shloka in a proper way. One example I have given, that rasa is an pada, and we want to know padartha. What is the meaning of rasa? So I must see all the around information. So rasa in Sharir Kriya, many times it is one of the first dhatu. Rasa, rakta, mouse, nail, asti, majja, shukra. So this is one of the body tissue according to or in context with Sharira Kriya subject. When we talk about Ayurvedic dietetics, food, then rasa, madhura, amla, lavana, katu, tikta, kashaya, this is concerned with the taste. And one, if I going for rasaushadhi, herbo mineral products, Vaishajya Kalpana subject of the second year, their rasa word is related with mercury. So all these different things related with the word, I can understand if I know the background, how that words are coming from, whether they are from Sankhya Darshan, Vaisheshik Darshan, whether that is a dravya or guna or karma. I must understand each aspect of that particular word. That is padarth. 6 types of padarth in Ayurveda: dravya, guna, karma, samavaya. Samavaya is different. Samanya is, I'm sorry, this is samanya and this is samavaya. Don't get confused into two words. Samanya is different and samavaya, this together. I'm sorry. Samanya and Vishesha we can understand together, but Samavaya is a coexistence. What is the Samavaya cause of this corona infection, pandemic? So you must mention COVID-19 virus is a Samavaya Karana of corona infection. That is not related with Samanya or Vishesh. But if you drink the cold substances, then that can be similar type of toxins it will form in the body. So samanya. But try to understand only the names of these 6 padartha: dravya, guna, karma, samanya, vishesh, and samavaya. So again, this is my mail ID for your contact purpose. Okay, but I'm not stopping my class. Okay, there are still few minutes and we are going to study. But before that, let me mark how many people are present over there. Okay. So if you don't mind, I will temporarily stop this sharing, or just a moment. Again, I will go back. Okay. Control print screen is there. Okay, but I will have to come back from this presentation. Just a moment. Just bear with me, my dear friends. I'm just trying to see. Okay. Okay, good. Then here, I will have to do something for the record purpose, for college purpose. Okay. So just give me a few minutes. Just few minutes, my dear friends. We are talking about Padartha Vijnana. Okay. We are talking about Padartha Vijnana. I will just scroll up. Okay. And I will also make this print screen again. Again, I will make print screen. For example, here, I will save that particular things. And afterwards, I will do the remaining job. Okay. But just me complete that process. Padartha Vijnana. My dear friends, we are here learning about Padartha Vijnana. Fine. I have completed my job. Now I will share your screen again. Okay. So this is regarding the Man and Atma. Welcome back. We have already completed the question papers of Padartha Vijnana, paper 1 from the MUHS examinations. Nearly 7 to 8 papers now you are in your hand, and you have noted which points are important. So I have told you that Man and Atma are very important. Indriyas are also important for the Padartha Vijnana and also for Sharir Kriya. So let us see what is this Indriya Pancha Panchak. Can you see? This is the important topic for Kriya as well as the Padartha Vijnana. So 5 things are there. This is also important for your spotting. Write down spotting of Kriya Sharira. There we put the ear model, we put the eye model, and then we ask write down Indriya Pancha Pancha. This is our question for spotting in Sharira Kriya. So what is these 5 things related with the sense organs? For example, 5 Jnanendriyas you know, Shrotra, Tvak, Chakshu, Rasana and Grahana. So this is Shrotra. Karna, this is the name of the Jnanendriya. Can you see over here? Adhishtan this is Adhishtan. Try to understand the 2 different things. Indriyas are situated in the brain. Indriyas are situated in the brain. That is called as the brain centers. Do you remember? Here we have the optic centers. Can you understand? Occipital lobe. Okay, you understand? 17, 18 and 19. Optic centers. That is Indriya. But if I say this is his eyes, this is not Indriya. This is Adhishtan, sight, or what you can say, the organ related with that Indriya. Similarly, here, auditory centers are there. Here, what is this? Temporal lobe, right down, temporal lobe, auditory centers. 21, 22, 41, 42, auditory centers, that is Indriya. And what is the Adhishtan? Ears are the Adhishtan. So whenever the patient will complain to you, doctor, I am having the problem of hearing. Doctor, I am having the problem of hearing. मला कानाला ऐकायला येत नाही. I cannot hear properly. So you have to check 2 things. One is Adhishtan and second is Indriya. Whether there is wax is there, whether foreign material is there, or whether there is a problem in this trauma to the brain. So Indriya is different, Indriya Adhishtan is different. Indriya Dravya, Akash. Each Mahabhut is related with each Indriyas, Akash Mahabhut. Vishesha Guna of Akash, Shabda. So this is auditory pathway. And Indriya Buddhi, intelligence, is a Shravana. Shravana means hearing capacity. Hearing capacity. That is my intelligence regarding the auditory waves, regarding the sound waves. Which is my intelligence is working over there? Intelligence is regarding the perception of sound waves is done by auditory center in my brain. That is called as a specific my intelligence acting on that particular part of knowledge. Jnanendriya, to perceive the knowledge. 5 Jnanendriyas, Shrotra, Tvak, Chakshu, Rasana, Grahana. You must learn by heart. 5 Karmendriyas, motor organs, Vak, Pani, Pad, Payu, Vastha, and Ubhendriya is a Man. This Man of Sharikriya and Padartha Vijnan are not different. My dear friends, try to understand. Same, one and the thing. Man, Atma in Sharikriya, Man, Atma in Padartha Vijnan, Man, Atma in Ashtanga Hridaya, Man, Atma in Charak Purvardha, Man, Atma in Charak Uttarardha, everywhere, same things. Same thing. Okay. Regarding the pathway, I have discussed 2 days back when I was discussing about Sharikriya paper 2. I was confused why these examiners are asking pathway, sensory pathway in paper 2. Actually, this is my doubt and this is my challenge. Actually, pathway is a modern aspect. Try to understand. Auditory pathway, optic pathway, olfactory pathway, gustatory pathway, tactile pathway. That comes under nervous system topic, syllabus, paper 1. So there also they can ask, but here you have the Jnana Grahana Prakriya. This is the problem, Jnana Grahana Prakriya. So some examiners, I don't know this is very correct, but they can ask pathway here also. For example, Shabda Grahana Prakriya Varnan Kara. Shabda Grahana Prakriya Varnan Kara, comma, Ayurveda Matanusare, Arvachina Vijnana Dware. Shabda Grahana, auditory pathway explained as per Ayurveda as well as the modern science. So modern science is the auditory pathway. That is paper 1, nervous system. Read. While going to the paper 2 of Sharikriya, don't forget to read those pathways. My kind request to all students of BAMS. Ayurveda about the Jnanagrahan. Atma Manasa Sayujyate. Atma is connected with your mind. Manaha Indriyen. Man is connected with. Now you are hearing my lecture. Your mind is connected with your ear. If your mind is not connected with your ear and eyes, you will hear, you will see my lecture, but you will not understand anything because your mind is thinking, oh my God, what snacks I should take after this lecture at 5 o'clock, whether my eyes prepare, mother is preparing some very interesting pizza. So if your mind is thinking those things, you will not understand my Atma Manasa Sevijyate. Manaha Indriyena, Indriyam Arthena Tatha Jnanam. This line must be remembered for all pathway. Now Yoga Darshana Shastra or Yoga Darshan is a philosophy. Yuja Yujyate Yogastu Chitta Vritti Nirodhaha. Control of physical and mental activities. Samatvam Yoga Uchyate. Balance is yoga. Yoga karmasu kaushalyam. Yogo moksha pravartaka. Yoge mokshe च सर्वेषां vedananam avartanam. Moksha is not heaven. Moksha is a sat chit ananda, eternal happiness. Eternal happiness in every moment is yoga. What is Ashtanga Yoga? Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar. I am sorry, just I will go back. Pranayam, Pratyahar. Now next page. We have to go the next page. We will go Dharana, Dhyan and Samadhi. These chakras are also there, but chakras is a topic of anatomy, Rachana. Just we have there, so we will read those lines, okay? Mooladhar, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat, Vishuddha, Ajna and Sahasrara Chakra. Shata Chakra, basically these are Shata and Sahasrara is over here, top controlling your brain, pituitary, okay? Mooladhar is at the anal region. Swadhisthana is at the bladder region. Manipur, umbilical region. Anahat, heart. Vishuddha, kantha. Ajna, bhumadhya, here, Ajna chakra. And Sahasrara at the vertex point. Now we have the 1.37 seconds, okay? Okay, man. This is Padartha Vijnana. Man. What is Sthan? Shirastalu antargate sarvendriyam paramana. Shiratalu antargat. In between palate and the cranium, that is the part of brain. Okay. Sarvendriyam paramana. Krutnam eva shiriram sroto rupam vakshati. Manova srotos is pervading throughout the body. What is the lakshana of mana? Lakshanam manaso jnanasya abhavo bhava evacha. You will get the knowledge because of the mind, and you will not get the knowledge because of the mind. Very surprising. If you have the connection with the Indriya, you will get the knowledge. If you don't have the connection with the Indriya, you will not get the knowledge. Okay. Then, I'm sorry, Manakarya, Indriya Abhigraha, Karma Manasa, Swasya Nigraha, self-control. Uho Vicharashchatataha, Param Buddhihi Pravartate. Intelligence is the function of mind. What is intelligence? Nishchayatmika, Buddhi, decision capacity, Nishchayatmika. Vishay, very important topic. I'm sorry. Chintam Vicharyam Uhyam Cha, Deyam Sankalpameva Cha, Yat Kinchit Manasodneyam, Tat Sarvam Hi Artha Sodnyakam. Write down this last 30 seconds. Chintya, Vicharya, Uyya, Dheya, and Sankalpa. Chintya, Vicharya. Students get confused with the Vishay and the Karya. Don't get confused. Karyas are different. Functions of man is different, mind is different, and Vishaya, subjects are different. Are you